Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, means it is a SST class, social science, and welcome to chapter number 5, continents and oceans. So this whole chapter will be completed, and so now evaluate part we are solving. In previous part also we have solved in fill in the blanks, okay, and today's part is there, so it is a class 5th and part is 13th. So 13th part, so now we are learning, so it is the exercise part. So part A already completed in previous class, and today's class part B, match the following. Match the following. So you do it here, parts, okay, and number 1, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. And number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. And number 3, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And number 4, Antarctica. Antarctica Ocean. And number 5, Arctic Ocean. So this is all A part questions, okay, match the following, but I am writing here direct answers, okay. See here. So Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is a Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench. Atlantic Ocean. So it is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. And Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is triangle in shape. Antarctic Ocean, so it is Southern Ocean. And Arctic Ocean, so it is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. Okay student, listen here. So it is the B part, evaluate part. Okay, so it is evaluate part, match the following, and part A questions are there here and part B are the answers. So first is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, I am here direct written the answers. Pacific Ocean, the answer is Mariana Trench. And second one, Atlantic Ocean. So it is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Next, Indian Ocean. So it is in triangle in shape. Antarctica Ocean. So it is Southern Ocean. And Arctic Ocean. So it is lie in Arctic Circle. So once again I am repeating. Question number 1, Pacific Ocean. The answer is Mariana Trench. Question number 2, Atlantic Ocean. So it is the answer is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Indian Ocean. So it is in triangle in shape. Antarctic Ocean. It is Southern Ocean. And Arctic Ocean. So it is in Arctic Circle. So understood you? Okay. And next, part C is continuing, evaluate part. C is there now. Answer the following. Answer the following in few words. In few words. So question number 1 is the list all the continents. List all the continents of the world from smallest to largest. From smallest to largest. Okay, student, listen here. Question number 1. Question number 1 is the list all the continents of the world from smallest to largest continent. You know, student, smallest continent is there Australia and largest continent is there Asia. But here you should be right. Okay. Some continents are there here, smallest to largest. Continents are there. Continents are smallest to largest. Okay. So first smallest continent, write it here, Australia. 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 And afterwards Europe. And next one Antarctica. And next South America. And afterwards fifth one North America. And next one Africa. So next last one is largest continent Asia. Listen here. But question is there, you write it continents here smallest to largest. So this like question came means you write this like. So when question, another one question coming. So list all the continents. So list all the continents means you should be right. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So when this like question coming means, so which like? List all the continents. But here this question is the smallest to largest. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. So which is the largest continent? Asia. So like smallest to largest you go. You know that mathematics decrement numbers means decreasing numbers. So decreasing numbers have you writing? Biggest number to smallest number. Biggest number to smallest number. And increasing numbers have you writing? Smallest number to largest number. That like. Okay. First one is there here Australia. Second one Europe. Third one Antarctica. Fourth one South America. Fifth one North America. Sixth one Africa. And seventh one Asia. So this like today's question number 1 is completed here. So I hope you all are understood today's topic part 13. One question only completed here. So next question I am continuing in next class. So you write it in your fair book, social science fair book. So you write it, handwriting should be neat. Okay, question number 1 is only completed here, and next questions are continuing in next period. Okay, so thank you.